Hello everyone, this is Trayman 1993 here. Today I'm going to show you one of my mono railroad updates for this channel here. And I got this little Union Pacific 372 here from a train show in Canfield, Ohio. I tested this out and it does run, but there's a problem with going backwards, but it runs forwards very well here. Let me test this out here. Whoops. You see that? It is seized. So I don't know what the problem is with it. Either it does need a new E-unit or it just needs a gentle cleaning with the gears. So, please let me know in the comments though, what is going on with this. By the way, it's a gorgeous engine here. The Roco Alco FA here has finally been fixed here, so it has been put into active service here. Next project here, finally, is I'm working on this easy truss bridge here because I'm afraid the circuit board might burn or something like that. So I'm probably going to get a new headlight from Evan Designs here. So after I get that wired up, it'll be put back to shape. Well, put back to active service, I mean. Sorry about that. So yeah. So that is my update right there, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this vid. And that is all for now.